Let's explore places and objects using the preposition in. I'm in the kitchen. I'm in the garden. I'm in the office. I'm in the library. I'm in the pool. I'm in a meeting. I'm in the shower. I'm in a hurry. I'm in the hospital. I'm in trouble. I'm in bed. I'm in a hotel. I'm in my pajamas. I'm in a class. It's in my pocket. It's in the drawer. It's in the mailbox. It's in the basket. It's in the fridge. It's in the closet. It's in the cabinet. It's in the album. It's in the jar. It's in the washroom. It's in the sink. It's in the vase. I'm in the store. It's in the bag. It's in the envelope. I'm in a good mood. Don't forget to leave a comment with your own sentence using in to describe where you are.